Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows Update error 0x800f0900 in Windows 10 or 11. Guys, this method will work in Windows 11 also. So easy solution, just click on Start, Settings. Now here select Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, then run on Windows Update. So guys, it will fix and resolve some common problems. Just follow suggestions which you see in this display, and after that you have to restart. And guys, if this troubleshoot is not working for you, so you can try second method. Just click on Start, type CMD, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now here guys, type this command line sfc /scan now. So type this command line sfc /scan now, then press enter. Now guys, this command line will take a couple of minutes, so complete this scanning. And once you successfully complete up to 100%, close it and restart. After restart, hopefully guys, you can fix and resolve Windows Update error 0x800f0900 in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.